5 secret beaches of Villajoyosa. This one doesn't count because this is just the campsite beach. Oh yeah, did I say we've got a campsite on the beach? So then the Moors and the... I'm not sure when the Moors and the Christian Festival is, but these are the boats. All laid up ready. Sadly we miss it. Beach number 1, Playa Paraiso. Aptly named Paradise. Perhaps a slightly ambiguous claim as it's just a single beach, but hey, don't mind for where we are.
Paradise Beach, I think.
And is it paradise?
Very rocky, but it is very beautiful. No sand.
There's sand further up. There must be something. There's a lifeguard tower. Just there, lifeguard tower.
Seagulls.
Almost paradise. So beach number 1, Playa Paraiso. Yeah, I'd give you that. From this end it is a beautiful sandy beach.
Because they've got beach volleyball up there.
Palm trees.
Yeah.
Clear blue skies. Ocean. Sailboats out on the horizon. Think of anything better to add to that? And cool derelict buildings. Less rock,
Yeah.
more sound. So sadly we've left the seafront. We've now, following the instructions in our walking map that says go up the hill, bear left, we go up the hill, we bear left. We're behind those beautiful mansions that you can see clutching the top of that cliff top, and hopefully once we go around them we drop back towards the sea. Fingers crossed. So we're now heading down a really random little street because this is going to be the special beach because there is only one way down and one way back up. So we're off to see this one. We could have skipped it out, but hey, we've got all the time in the world. So where are we?
The nudist beach. Plata... No... I don't know what it's called. It doesn't say on there. But it is the nudist beach, and obviously turtles.
Look at that. Thankfully, I can video this because it appears there is nobody down on the beach. Although, I get a feeling once we get down these steps, that might change. Michelle's very bravely walking all her clothes on. She could be the odd one out for a minute. So this is just our vistas. This just has that Mediterranean feel about it. We're actually only just off the tram line. You can see the tram line there, but you've just got endless sea all the way out. And over there, that tip you can just about see right in the corner. That's going to be Alicante out there. We're now heading along the footpath here, ready for the next beach. Michelle's recovered from her trip to the nudist beach. Thankfully, we didn't see anybody nude. Apparently, so just below the ginormous 5-star hotel. And there is this amazing pebble beach. Another stand. So this one is Playa La Caleta. Playa La Caleta. Sadly, obviously we've got what it looks like actually in the summer. There's a beach bar and things which have been quite nice. Walking, but hey ho. Let's go see the sea. where it becomes one of those interesting walks, because we're now just going up the random unmade path. Instructions have become completely useless. Google Maps doesn't actually even link the path to existing. But hey, apparently half an hour's time we'll find a tower. Check back with you in a bit. Are you still enjoying it, love? That's a double thumbs up. Double thumbs. We're heading over there, that tower there somewhere. Not very far away now. Apparently, half an hour's walk. Apparently, down this slightly made up road now, almost slightly. Still not on Google Maps, but slightly made up road. So this is going to be one of these impossible vistas. You're going to go around the corner, and then you're going to go, ooh, oh no, it's not piratation. Arr.
Wow.
You haven't seen it yet?
No, I haven't. Well, I can. Beach as well.
Anticlimax?
No, I can't tell because the sun's shining in the eyes. I don't think we're going to get to the tower from here though.
But this is the beach.
Oh, you don't get to the tower?
Oh, you can get to the tower if you want to walk up the hill.
That's fine then. I thought I was going to be up at the tower.
This is Playa del Aracchio? That one.
The house is named after.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. I don't think you should learn to build some beach bars. In the middle of nowhere. Joy of secret beaches.
Like I say, if you come down with an off-road, I had to fall before, or a quad bike or something, you'd be alright, wouldn't you? Boom, 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 boom.
You made it down here in one piece.
We did. Wow.
Okay, that one does do wow.
Oh, there you go.
And that is the tower up there.
Oh, someone's brought Verity.
So over there, Michelle tells me is Benidorm apparently.
Yeah, and the little island, the little natural.
So the little island, and then you can just catch the ginormous hotels. We may have found like the ultimate looking wild camping spot, because there's all these vans perched on top of this hill with this beautiful vista. All we need to do now is work out how to get there. Let's go and have a look. It's stunning. How we should walk.
Very nice. It's really good.
How should all good walks end?
With a cold beer.
Well, I hope you enjoyed our stumble across the beaches. Thankfully, there was no nude people. But remember, check back in next time to see the next one.